What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Technical Goodies, and today we're doing another mini tech haul. So starting with this, everyone needs a good monitor. The Titan Army 27-inch display monitor. It is a 2K 180 hertz gaming monitor. It gives you 1440p and it gives you the 180 hertz refresh rate. But in the box, it comes with the standard base, cables, and yeah, it looks like it comes with a DP cable, comes with a power cable here, and the monitor itself, which, as you can see, is pretty big. But again, this is just a quick little sort of unboxing. I will do a full test on that and let you guys know how it works out. But here's a couple other quick things to look at here. Now, I'm a big fan of sort of the Japanese art, and I'm trying to do a black and white and gray setup for my desk, and this looks pretty nice, so I'll go ahead and set it here on the desk and show you the other things that I got. I also got a computer monitor light. It does run on USB power supply. It has a touch control, all full RGB brightness adjustment, memory function, and 3-color temperatures. Now, what I thought was very cool about this particular light bar was the fact that it has a backlight as well as a bottom diffused light. USB plugs into the back here. On the bottom here, you can see the colors. It has 3 different warmth colors. It has daylight, warm white, and then that sort of in between. You can also change the brightness. Pretty bright here, as you can see. I have a lot of lights in the room, it's difficult. But then you can also change the color of the backlight and how it works on the back of your monitor. You can also independently turn off the back RGB and not, or you can turn off and on the front lamp by itself. So that's awesome. I'm digging that. All right, last but not least, I went ahead and picked up a detachable soundbar wireless speaker. When I do these sort of hauls for you all, I kind of think of things that are kind of outside the box. So you can have a full speaker bar, but you can also pull it apart and make 2 little independent standing speakers, depending on how you want to use that. And I thought that was pretty neat. So in the box here, it does come with the 2 speakers themselves. It also comes with some audio cables. This looks like a headphone to RCA cables, which is nice. Headphone to headphone jack, 2 separate bases in case you want to use them separately. So the way this is going to work is, if you can see here, I'm going to show you that it has the connectors on the side here. It'll basically plug together and click in, and it becomes one full soundbar. But if you want to take it apart, you just click it open, plug this one into one base, plug this one into the other, click it in, and now you have 2 independent speakers. And then once connected, hook the other one up across the back of your desk and plug it in, and wow. Got a little bit of bass, not a great amount of bass, but it sounds great. Sounds really good. I'll go ahead and turn that off. It is free music, but I just want to make sure I don't get any copyright strikes. This is great. This is really cool looking. All right. So anyway, that was kind of a mini TEMU haul. I know these kind of go quick, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of the sort of things you can get for your desktop. Thanks again to TEMU for partnering with me on this. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. I'd love to see you back. But until next time, this is Carl from Technical Goodies, and I'm out.